Welcome everyone to this new vlog. This is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, a big ad certified advertising professional, as well as owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question from my audience. So let's get started on the question I have. So I'm going to share you in this detailed video-based vlog. So the question is: in a lot of local markets, there is a very limited search volume on Google Ads. So we have to improvise. One of the biggest issue with improvising is that I assume people use their eyeballs to read, but they don't. Here is an example of what I like to do. Let's say I have a client that sells custom throw blankets for couches. Let's just pretend they're a local store and don't sell online. This is completely made up. By the way, this would be a horrible business model. There aren't going to be very many searches for throw blankets near me, or maybe there are, but we are spending budget and need more leads and orders. So to improvise, I create an ad for people that are searching for couches in store. So when someone searches for couches stored near me, our ad triggers and did something like getting a new sofa, browse comfy through blankets, blah blah. I'm piecing this together as I go. Even though the ad clearly states that we are selling through blankets, people still click on our ad looking for couches. The landing page clearly states at the top that we are selling, and we are still getting on-page requests for modular section or sectionals. Once again, I don't have a client that sells furniture. No, I wouldn't be using a form as our CTA if we were. I'm just trying to paint a picture without mentioning a specific niche. This is a made-up scenario, but I'm experimenting for different service business to increase potential lead volume at the local level. I do make an ad understanding that searcher isn't searching for what we are selling. The CTR will be low, and so will be the conversion. I'm okay with that when the CPIC is 10x lower. When I'm not okay with is that the leads do we get are people that don't read or the landing page. What are some suggestions, advice that you would give to help negate this? Now, this is a very long scenario, but in fact, you have actually portrayed a true scenario. Whereas sometimes there is an issue, when in reality, the keywords like blankets, throw blankets near me, or the product you are selling actually do not have local search results as much as they are required. And yeah, then when you try to actually target similar queries or relevant items, so then instead of getting you the lead you were wanted, you are actually getting queries for that regular item on which you are targeting your own item, like you have portrayed over here as well, that you actually targeted on couch stores near me when you were targeting through blankets for couches, but still you do not get it. And yes, to some extent people actually do not read with that focus with whatever thoughts we have created the content. Okay, now to understand, I've been portraying and discussing on many platforms that the keyword intent is very important. The someone searches on Google have something to search in their mind, and they have a thought, which is why they're searching. Understanding. I also discussed in cases regarding iPhone review and buy iPhone. Both have a different perspective. When you are searching iPhone review and you are selling iPhones, not gonna work because people like to know iPhone, do not want to buy iPhone. So understand the intent of the consumer is very important when you are going to target. So now in this scenario where you see that your target keyword have low search volume in local ads, how to get more uh, targeted visitors. Okay, I have a solution for this. Okay, so there are two things you can do. Number one is retargeting, targeting on competitor website brand keywords. Okay, okay, if you have been following me, I do not actually recommend doing the second step on targeting the competitor brand keywords. It's going to give you very very low sales. But considering that you are trying with other products and you are seeing very low sale results, it's worth trying. Targeting competitors. You must have some competitors same selling service like you, and they may have been established as a brand, and people may be searching about you. So it's a good idea to target those as well. Again, I am not recommending, but it is worth a try. So definitely this can try, you can try and see if it increases any conversions or visitors on your website. Now the second aspect is retargeting. Retargeting is very important. People who have already visited your website or your brand, retarget them with a special deal. Now this is another very important aspect, and this can also help you in increasing your sales. Now something not related to Google Ads but can help you indirectly in increasing sales is create a blog on your website, write some articles. This can also increase traffic. Have email subscription and regularly mail with new products, deals, and discounts. Integrate with YouTube, Facebook, and other social media channels, and this can also help you in getting more visitors. And you can also do cross channel retargeting, like not only on Google ads, but you can also do retargeting on your Facebook ads, Instagram ads, so you can increase your traffic. So now these are few of the things which I have seen work very well and can increase your customers when you have a low search volume. So I believe that not everyone converts, and the people who have landed on your website and they have not yet bought a product from you, those are your potential visitors who can be convinced through retargeting. That is a very important aspect. Second is targeting on competitor brand name keywords, and that can also help you give you small traffic band worth a try to see it out. I'm not saying that it's a guaranteed success. Now the third is you create a blog on your website, add relevant articles regarding couches, blankets, whatever you are selling, and inform, educate people, and bring your more authenticity. Create content on YouTube, Facebook, and other social media channels and integrate it. Have email subscription. Again, those potential visitors can be converted later on with deals, discount, and promotions. And again, you can also do cross-channel retargeting. And these are few of the things which I recommend you to increase your sales. So I hope you like this detailed answer. But in case if you need a professional help, me and my team can help you. You can hire us to have your Google Ads account audit, Google Ads account setup, a Google Ads account management done, even Facebook ads, SEO. We can help you. We can even help you with landing pages. So you can hire us through the link in the description, and we're going to make sure to create an awesome Google Ads or Facebook ads or whatever you order, campaign for your business. So yeah, thank you for watching. Still, in case if you have any questions left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video, and I will be happy to answer those. So yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Take care and bye bye.